Hey everybody, Jared here, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to replace the battery in a Streamlight Survivor flashlight. This flashlight is pretty common that is used in the fire service. This type of flashlight, the way how I use it, this is my primary flashlight. The way how I use this is that I use this when I take my dogs out, when I do stuff at night. I use this light. This is a very, very powerful flashlight. And, yeah, very powerful flashlight. That's all I'm going to say. And it needs a new battery. If I were to hit the power button, which is this button right here, doesn't work. And here is the replacement battery that I will be switching into the beamer, as I like to call it, because once this thing is all lit up, it has a beam. It's so bright. Anyway, let's go ahead and change this. So the way how this works is that there is a clip right here. If I just pull this off, it's going to be quite hard to get. There we go. Here is the little clip I was talking about. And here is your battery. Now this is a heavy duty battery. Anyway. Little tip, if you're going to change this, there is some bumps here. That is for the front of the light. And this is turn it around. This is the smooth part. The springs actually go upside down. Anyway, so we're gonna take this and out with the old and in with the new. And just for an FYI reference, these are rechargeable batteries. So the way how you want to do it is that this is okay. So the way how you do it, here are the flat two ends. Put that in. Close it down. Latch it shut. You hear a click, and it works. Yes, this is a very, very powerful flashlight. So the way how this thing works is that, I'm going to set it back here. So this is regular mode. This is, I want to say sort of like a distress signal or a traffic mode signal. But from what I heard, this is a distress signal. And if you hold it down for even longer, I'm going to do it again here. It goes into what's called moon mode, which, it's bright, but at the same time it's very dark. That's the old battery. So, that's as bright as it'll go. That's moon mode. And this is full mode, if you know what I mean. That's full mode. And here's the stress mode. So, that is how you change the battery on a Streamlight Survivor flashlight. And I will see you in the next video. Take care.